Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out to Natty Hayes. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video and I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. So today we're going to be doing a walkthrough. Right now I'm just going in and I'm sizing my full nail covers to my nails. And really quickly, I just wanted to apologize for not uploading on Thursday. I was feeling super under the weather and I actually did end up going to the emergency room, but I'm completely fine. Please don't worry about me. I'm like totally fine. So sorry for not uploading, but I'm here. I know it's Saturday, but all I'm doing right now is I'm going in with a nail drill and I'm drilling in the inside of these nails. These are full nail covers, ABS plastic. They are not soft gel full nail covers. So I'm going in and I'm putting some scratches inside so the polygel has something to stick to. I'm going in with some Uhuhu polygel and I'm going to be using 70% alcohol as my slip solution. So it's really simple. All I'm doing is taking my polygel and I'm pat your weave, ladies. Okay, let me. All I'm doing is I'm taking the polygel and I'm patting it in my full nail cover. And I used to do it individually, one by one. I would just take the full nail cover and put the polygel in it, put it on my finger, put it in my lamp and cure for 30 seconds and then do the next nail. No. That's silly. If you're doing short ones like this, don't do that. If you have a design in your nails, like that's a little different, but I'm just going to take them and I'm going to do all 4 nails and then put my whole hand in to cure it so it's less time in the lamp. Another tip, if you put your hand in the UV lamp often, you want to use sunscreen on your hands so you don't age your hands prematurely, because that UV light is not good for your hands and it will leave your hands wrinkly and dry and looking like you have 40-year-old hands and you're only 18 years old. That's not what you want. I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch me work. So now all I'm doing is going in with a lint-free wipe and some of that alcohol and I'm wiping my nails down before I begin filing. I'm just gonna file my nails up to the preferred shape. I'm going in now with the base coat first, and then all I'm going to do is apply that to my nails before I start my design. I'm using the Beetle System 340, which is this sparkly silver shade, and I'm going to be using the MAKARRT Duets. I'm going to be using MAKARRT Duet in Sky Blue, and really simple. I'm just doing a quick and easy design, so I'm just going to let you guys watch me work. I'm going in with some top coat now and topping off of my nails. I'm taking some cuticle oil and applying that to my cuticles, and voila, here are the final results. I'm so in love. This design is super cute and super easy, super simple. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for 8,000. I'm so tired. I have to go to bed, but I love you guys, and I will see you guys on Monday. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye.